All right, let's dive into a piece of tech that's promising to completely shake up how physiotherapy clinics handle their most important and sometimes most stressful asset, the phone. We're talking about AI phone assistants. Are they really the front desk of the future? Let's get into it.
So if you run a clinic, does this question make you wince a little? Yeah, for a lot of practice owners, this hits really close to home. That phone is your lifeline for sure, but man, it can also be a never-ending source of interruptions and headaches, pulling you away from what you actually need to be doing, caring for your patients.
And here's the reality of why that is. You've got patients waiting on hold, getting frustrated, your staff is just completely swamped during those peak hours, and then after 5 o'clock, forget about it. Those calls go straight to voicemail. And you know, every single one of those missed calls isn't just an inconvenience. It's potentially lost revenue and a knock against your clinic's reputation.
To deal with this constant call challenge, a whole new kind of technology has started to pop up. It's basically being sold as a way to finally get a handle on all those administrative tasks.
So say hello to the AI phone assistant, or as a lot of people are calling it, the AI receptionist. The whole idea here is pretty simple actually. Automate the communication workload that's bogging down your front desk. So what is this thing really? Well, think of it like this. It's a service powered by AI that's built to be your first point of contact. It picks up the phone, answers all those common questions, and books appointments right into your calendar. And the key part? It does all of this without a person having to watch over its shoulder for every little thing. The pitch is incredibly powerful. These services are basically being sold as the perfect employee. You know, the one who's always there, always sounds professional, and never, ever needs a lunch break. The big promise is that you can capture every single opportunity 24/7. Okay, so that's the big promise, but let's break it down. What exactly are these services claiming they can do for a physiotherapy practice like yours? What are the core benefits you're really supposed to get?
The first huge one is just being available all the time. Just picture this. A potential new patient gets off work at 6 p.m. They decide to call your clinic. Normally, they'd get your voicemail. But with an AI assistant, they could actually get their questions answered and book their first appointment right then and there.
And look, this isn't just marketing hype. We see testimonials from clinic owners that back this up. This quote here from Dr. John Smith, for example, draws a straight line from that 24/7 availability to a real, tangible result. A lot more appointments on the books. Now, the second big benefit is all about your team. It's about taking that constant, repetitive weight of answering the phone off their shoulders. This frees them up to focus on more valuable work and, the actual patients standing right in front of them. And this quote from Dr. Anna Muller just captures that feeling perfectly. You can just feel the relief, right? The phone stops ringing off the hook, the constant interruptions die down, and the team can finally focus on patient care instead of just playing phone tag all day. Now, what's really cool is how this chart just lays it all out. You can see the claimed impact so clearly. Staff admin time on the phone, it plummets. Missed patient calls, they drop to almost zero. And the result of those two things? The number of appointments booked actually goes up. It's the whole value proposition right there in one simple visual. So how does it all work? Well, it's a whole suite of features. You've got smart scheduling that understands your calendar to avoid double bookings. It can integrate directly with your EMR system, your electronic medical records. It can even handle things like prescription details. And this is absolutely crucial. These services all emphasize HIPAA compliance to make sure your patient's sensitive data is always kept safe and secure. Okay, so the benefits sound great, but how do you actually get one of these things up and running? Is it going to be some huge, complicated tech project? Let's pull back the curtain on the setup process. Honestly, the process is usually pitched as being surprisingly simple. You start online where you customize everything, your greetings, your rules, all that stuff. From then on, when a call comes in, the AI just takes over, and the whole time you're kept in the loop with instant notifications so you always know exactly what's going on. But, and this is a really important but, not all setups are the same. You've got different flavors. On one hand, some services offer a super fast, do-it-yourself model where you can be up and running in minutes. That's great for a clinic that needs a quick fix. On the other hand, you've got a more hands-on, in-depth approach that can take weeks of planning and custom integration. That might be a better fit for a larger practice with more complex needs. So let's zoom back out and put all these pieces together. What is the real role this AI is supposed to play in a clinic? Is it just a fancy answering machine, or is it actually something more? Well, when you look at what it's actually used for day to day, it's pretty clear this thing is meant to be a workhorse. It handles the whole spectrum, from scheduling brand new patients to answering detailed questions about insurance, telling people what to bring to their first visit, and even asking some basic questions to figure out what a patient needs.
And that brings us to the most crucial point. The central argument from all these companies is that AI is here to help your human staff, not replace them. By automating all the repetitive, robotic stuff, you free up your skilled team to focus on what humans do best: complex problem solving and delivering amazing hands-on care. Of course, let's be real. The AI excels at routine tasks, but it can't replicate the empathy and understanding of a real person when a patient is in pain or has a really sensitive issue. That human touch, still irreplaceable.
And that leaves us with this one big question to think about. As this technology gets smarter and more integrated into everything we do, is an AI assistant truly the future face of your clinic's patient experience? It's a question that pretty much every practice owner is going to have to wrestle with sooner or later. Thanks for tuning in.